Welcome to part 1 of the MUSCO Lighting LED troubleshooting videos. In this video, we are going to look at power to ECE. When troubleshooting MUSCO lights, first verify the outage, pole identification, and project number, which will be located on the enclosure door. Next, call the MUSCO Control Link Center at 877-347-3319 and ask for technical support. First, we'll familiarize ourselves with the MUSCO LED components and the flow of power through a MUSCO LED system. AC power will power the controller through the disconnect located in the bottom right corner of the enclosure. The top of the disconnect is line side and the bottom is load side. The disconnect can be rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise to turn the lights off and turned back 90 degrees clockwise to turn the lights on. Power travels from the disconnect to the distribution blocks, which will either have an A, B, and C block, or it may have just an A and B block in a phase-to-phase configuration. If your site is power phase to neutral, you will also have a neutral block marked N. Power then travels to the line side of the fuse holders, left side. Power then leaves the load side of the fuse holders, right side, and travels up into the driver by way of the primary harness. Drivers have 3 harnesses plugged into them. The power in and power out is located at the top of the driver, and the dimming harness is plugged into the face of the driver. The power in or primary harness has a black wire, a green wire, and a blue wire with a white stripe. The power out or secondary harness has a red wire and a black wire. Output power leaves the driver and travels to a controller board or directly to the pole harness, depending on whether a communication controller is present. If a communication controller is present, power travels from the driver to the controller, to the driver input on the controller, and out the luminaire output to the pole harness. If no communication controller is present, or a high, medium, low dimming board is present, then the driver output will be connected directly to the pole harness. Please continue to the second video to begin your LED troubleshoot.